guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia Rose, and today I am talking about Myrta. Now, if you haven't heard of them, don't panic, but I am so excited to tell you about them because I really believe in their company, their ethos, and I think they're going to be a big deal. So you heard it here first. Now, let me give you a little background as to why I'm making this video. So it was a year ago, like today, that I posted this picture on Instagram selling my Chanel bags. And I did this for a couple of different reasons. One, we were moving house and I had a chunk of money in these bags and I needed it. I was more than happy to sell them because they're things. And actually, to be honest, I mean, I know I've done unboxings and I know I loved them and they made me happy-ish. Like, I enjoyed them. But where I am in my life right now, I've got 3 young children. I don't go out very much. I was not using these bags. I would take my Chanel DeVille to the park and I couldn't put it down anywhere. And I think for me, I use the bags as investments. So I look to sell them later on. So I don't want to damage them in any way. So I'm happy to take them out for a couple of drinks or dinner or whatever where I know they're safe. But honestly, everything gets destroyed now. So these bags we're just going to collect dust in the wardrobe. Also, we're in a cost of living crisis and I was on maternity leave and A plus B equals C. Like, happy to sell. I got a good chunk of money. I did make money on them, so all is well. However, I would just like to say that I'm not less happy in any way. I'm actually free of the constraints of having to think about it. I can use the bags that I buy now freely. Not that I'm chucking them around and taking a razor blade to them, but I'm not worried about them. It doesn't freak me out. Also, side note, and I know this might be controversial, but I don't like Chanel at the minute. I don't like how they're increasing their prices all the time to make it absolutely impossible to buy the bags. I feel like it's really elitist and I feel like they're sending a message that they only want certain people wearing their bags, which is just, I don't know. The whole thing makes me rather uncomfortable. I did feel uncomfortable wearing Chanel bags in public sometimes. I felt like it was a bit, look at me. I don't like that part about it. I enjoy the artistry and how gorgeous they are, but I was also terrified that it was gonna get swiped off of my arm or taken off the back of my chair or whatever. So it just made me anxious. I don't know if you saw, but I was in the Saturday Times magazine. So I worked with this company called Zoops, who are this amazing pre-loved luxury selling company. And they have a TV show coming out called Secondhand for 50 Grand. And I am in it. If you want to go check it out, it's coming out on Monday at 10 o'clock on Channel 4. No big deal or anything. They did an article about the show in the magazine. Oh, look at that, who's that? There I am. And I am quoted to say, which I don't think I actually did say, but never mind. Brownlee sold her bag back to Reese. Yes, so I've been selling bags with Reese, which is pretty much where most of my bags went to, except if I sold them to my friends, which is always nice because I get to see them again. Yes, I get more satisfaction from chickens than Chanel these days. It's true. Like, I love my chickens a lot. What handbag does she have now? It's from H&M. It was $24.99 and I feel just as put together as I did with my Chanel. It's true. My chickens got a lot of airtime in this. My point being that I have sold my luxury Chanel bags and I'm absolutely fine with that. I didn't feel any sense of sadness. I didn't feel any sense of loss. I actually gained cash. So what it meant is that I was on the lookout for new bags because I still needed to wear bags. And I found this company called Myrta. And what Myrta do is like a hub, and they have an online shop and they're based in Milan. And what they do is they source bags designed by bag designers and bag makers in Italy. And the true luxury about this company is that you don't click and buy and it arrives on your doorstep in 3 days. Okay, that's everywhere. We're whatever. It's old news. The true luxury about this company is that you buy something and it will take 6 weeks to make. They make it for you. It is the ultimate slow fashion company. You know that the bag is completely made for you. It's essentially one of a kind because it's handmade. I mean, they'll make another one, but that one was for you. And I just love that. That, on top of the fact that they are gorgeous and the quality is amazing, I just love. And knowing that, for me, is the ultimate luxury. And the fact that I can use it, because they're not thousands of pounds. They're expensive, but they're high quality and slow fashion, and I'm here to support that. But I'm not freaking out prices, okay? Anyways, the first bag I got from Myrta is the Tiziana, and I love her. She is so gorgeous. Look at this. The color, this neutral color, is just gorgeous. It's like a grayish, I would say. And it's got this gorgeous little flap, so easy, and opens up. It comes with a gorgeous dust bag and a strap. It's got padding. There's multiple pockets in here for all my knickknacks. It's lined with a beautiful leather, and I just love her. I really, really do. She's just the cutest size. I love a top handle bag. This is such a chic bag. I am obsessed. It is softer than soft. Like this, you can tell that this is amazing craftsmanship and leather, and I just love it. It's got a nice sturdy bottom. So the company that made this bag is Cellarini in Florence. And even this buckle, can you see, is just lovely and nice to use. You don't have all those adjustable straps because it's just classy and classic. Easy, and I absolutely adore this bag. I love a top handle bag, honest to God. But it's like not a mini. It's a really great size. So I highly recommend this one. I think this color is gorgeous. The other thing is that they have them in multiple colors, so you can choose which one suits you best. But this grayish gray neutral vibe, I mean, we're not surprised. The exciting thing for me about this video is I have saved one to unbox with you, and I'm so excited because I've had it for a while and it's been sat there watching me, but I wanted to save it for you. So, got delivered in this gorgeous box, and it's all sustainable, recyclable, but everything about this company is luxurious. From Italian artisans to you. Artisans! That was the word I was looking for. Because it is art. I mean, could you imagine? An order comes in, you just make a gorgeous, I mean, honestly. I love this sound. Here we go. Yes. Guys, I'm so excited for this one. The color is not going to surprise you. Luxury made by people, not brands. That's what I'm talking about. So this is the Lucia bag. I think that's how you pronounce it. I mean, I don't speak Italian, so if I'm getting any of this wrong, somebody please let me know. This color is not going to surprise you, and I am so excited because it is perfect for autumn and perfect for winter and spring and summer. I mean, I'm gonna wear this. Oh my God. Hello, Lucia. You are beautiful. Look at that, just everything. It's sturdy. She has feet. So the other one doesn't have feet, which is the only thing I would say is missing from this bag. But would I really put her on the ground? Probably not. I mean, I wouldn't with this one either. I really love taking care of my bags. This is a sturdier bag. Oh my God, this leather is incredible. This hand, oh, everything. Look at that. Look at that. This is gorgeous. Okay, so this one has a zipper. It's got a lighter suede inside. And then top styling tip, always keep the stuffing for when you are not using your bags because it keeps their shape. Oh, This one has little pockets and a zip inside. How gorgeous. I don't know if you can see, but just take my word for it. She is amazing. I can wear it like this, hold handheld through the arm. Oh my God, look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh. And then you can put a little, so it doesn't even have separate loops. I love that. You can just clip that on if you want to wear it crossbody. How unbelievably gorgeous. I am completely obsessed. That is my perfect bag. That tag can come. Oh. Ugh. I mean, is that the perfect color? I'm completely 100% obsessed and in love. And I'm so happy I bought that bag. I'm going to shout about this company so much because what they do is amazing. Supporting small artisans. Well, I don't know how tall they are, but you know, like small companies. Artisans in Italy. I can't get to Italy and go shopping for a bag willy-nilly. So this is just amazing. I love this. They also do clothes and jewelry on there and stuff, but the bags are where it's at for me. I love them. Again, if you want a second look, obviously they're on my website as well. I am just completely 100% in love with these bags. And my collection is growing. My luxury collection is growing for what I think is luxurious for me, which is being able to use bags guilt-free, but they are so special. One of a kind, made for me bags. I love them. Have I convinced you yet? They're gorgeous. God! That. Would you just look at that? Let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you later.